Artificial intelligence, AI, has significant potential to drive labor productivity across various sectors. Many experts have predicted that generative AI could boost GDP and raise labor productivity growth over the coming decade. Even though the early signals of future productivity gains look very positive, it will take time for the technology to filter into the overall economy. In this video, we will take an in-depth look at how AI can enhance productivity and some of the challenges and considerations associated with its implementation. Number 1. Automation of routine tasks. Repetitive processes. AI can automate repetitive and mundane tasks, such as data entry, scheduling, and basic customer service queries, freeing up employees to focus on more complex and creative tasks. Robotic process automation, RPA. RPA uses AI to handle structured data and automate routine tasks across applications and systems. Number 2. Enhanced decision-making. Data analysis. AI can analyze large data sets much faster and more accurately than humans, providing insights that can inform strategic decisions. Predictive analytics. AI can predict trends and outcomes based on historical data, helping businesses to make proactive decisions. Number 3. Improved customer service. Chatbots and virtual assistants. AI-powered chatbots can handle customer inquiries 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, providing immediate assistance and reducing the workload on human customer service representatives. Personalization. AI can tailor customer interactions and recommendations based on individual preferences and behavior. Number 4. Increased efficiency in operations. Supply chain optimization. AI can optimize supply chain operations by predicting demand, managing inventory, and improving logistics. Maintenance and quality control. AI can predict equipment failures and maintenance needs, ensuring continuous operation and reducing downtime. Number 5. Enhanced employee performance. Training and development. AI can identify skill gaps and provide personalized training programs for employees. Performance monitoring. AI can monitor employee performance and provide feedback, helping to improve productivity and job satisfaction. Number 6. Innovation and new business models. Product development. AI can accelerate the product development process by analyzing market trends and customer feedback. New services. AI enables the creation of new services and business models that were previously not feasible, such as AI-driven advisory services or autonomous transportation. Now let's look into the potential productivity gains by sector. 1. Manufacturing. AI applications can handle predictive maintenance, quality control, process optimization. Productivity gains include reduced downtime, increased production efficiency, and improved product quality. 2. Healthcare. AI applications can perform diagnostic assistance, personalized treatment plans, and administrative automation. Productivity gains include faster and more accurate diagnoses, reduced administrative burden, improved patient outcomes. 3. Finance. AI applications will perform fraud detection, algorithmic trading, and customer service automation. Productivity gains include enhanced security, optimized trading strategies, and efficient customer interactions. 4. Retail. AI applications can do inventory management, personalized marketing, and customer service. Productivity gains include efficient inventory turnover, increased sales through targeted marketing, and improved customer satisfaction. Besides benefits, there are also many challenges and considerations. 1. Job displacement and reskilling. Displacement risk. Automation of routine tasks may lead to job displacement in certain roles. Reskilling needs. There will be a significant need for reskilling and upskilling workers to handle more complex tasks and new job roles created by AI. 2. Implementation costs. High initial costs. Implementing AI solutions can be expensive, requiring significant investment in technology and training. Ongoing maintenance. AI systems require continuous maintenance and updates to remain effective. 3. Data privacy and security. Privacy concerns. The use of AI entails collecting and analyzing large volumes of data, which raises privacy concerns. Security risks. AI systems can be vulnerable to cyber attacks and data breaches. 4. Bias and fairness. Algorithmic bias. If not properly managed, AI systems can perpetuate and amplify existing biases. Fairness. Ensuring fairness in AI decision-making processes is critical to gaining trust and acceptance. Conclusion. AI has the potential to significantly drive labor productivity by automating routine tasks, enhancing decision-making, improving customer service, increasing operational efficiency, fostering innovation. However, realizing these benefits requires careful consideration of implementation challenges. Job displacement, reskilling costs, data privacy, fairness. Academic literature and economic studies have shown that AI is expected to start having a measurable impact on real economy in 2027 and begin influencing growth in other economies globally in the subsequent years. Businesses and policymakers must work together to navigate these challenges and ensure that the benefits of AI are widely shared. Please leave your comments below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video.